apps appears show you.
How to keep Spotify playing in the background on iPhone. So if you want to play your Spotify music while you are playing another app or any social media apps, here's how to do it. Go to your Spotify app and tap on your profile photo. Tap on settings and privacy. Tap on playback. Enable picture in picture. So it will shrink video in a mini player when you leave Spotify. So you can continue watching while using another apps. And then go to your iPhone settings. Scroll down and tap on general. Tap on picture in picture. Make sure to enable start PIP automatically. And then go to your Spotify and play a music. And as you can see, the music is playing. Now all you have to need to keep this Spotify playing in background, just minimize your Spotify like this. And if I open my lock screen, as you can see, my Spotify is playing on my background. Now you can easily use any other app and your Spotify will play in background. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.